Okay, if you're gonna probe and you want to get 148, so you're gonna go up here to probe, bang, data, measure a bore, diameter 0.8, yes, yes, 148, then we're gonna send. Hit start. Okay, 148. Gonna do numbers. Now we want to do the Z on the bark. So we go to handle, back Z up, come up to Y. Get Y close. We get Z close. Z's kind of close. We're close. We're close. Okay, now we come to here. We want manual data. We want that. We're gonna go home. Single cycle, single cycle. We want a Z minus. Yes. So 148. Send. Start. And then we got a new number.